I don't know who needs to hear this, but in reality, if you're using SSH a lot and you're a Windows user, a lot of people are saying install PuTTY. And I think that was really true a few years ago. But I think in the modern age, well, let me show you something. I'm going to go to my Pop! OS, my Linux desktop, and I'm going to open up my virtual machine of Windows 10. That's right, folks. I run Windows 10 in a virtual machine now, mostly because I wanted to learn more about Windows, as I haven't been a regular Windows user since Windows 2000, but also because I wanted to make sure I knew how to help people learn the other tools such as SSH. So let's go into PowerShell. Not PowerShell. Now, PowerShell isn't nearly as pretty, in my opinion, as the terminals I'm used to seeing in Unix land. And they do actually have a Microsoft terminal that's much prettier. But this is pretty much stock. In fact, this entire installation I've done, I think I just got Windows installed and Microsoft Office, and that's all I really have on this machine. And that's all I've done. But here's the thing. SSH. It's baked into PowerShell, and PowerShell's baked into Windows 10. SCP, it's also there. So you don't need PuTTY in 2023. You don't. You should use, well, first off, you should be using the command line tools originally the way they're laid out because they're going to be the best experience. But also it's just slick to be able to just log in. Deep thought. This is my local DNS right there for actually the machine that's the host. And there we are. Now I can get to all my files. And I can copy files back and forth. If you install programs like Winget, and I forgot the name of the other one, there's a few package managers you can get for PowerShell. And then you can get your Termux, your NeoVim, all those kind of cool tools natively inside of PowerShell, and that's highly recommended. But even if you just have a fresh copy of Windows, or it's your buddy's copy of Windows and you trust him enough to log in through his machine to your machine, you can always SSH in and get some real work done. And that's pretty rad. If you like this video, check out my video about running Termux on your phone to get a very Linuxy feel in your pocket anywhere you go. I am the biggest Linux fanboy on the planet, but I am also trying to expand my horizon in a few ways. But I also want to take the coolness and the awesomeness of the tools of Linux with me. And the good news is more and more there is an opportunity to access these tools. And I hope to bring more videos showing you different ways that you can access the tools you need, the awesome Linuxy stuff, no matter where you are.